Hi there, this is Maneesh Vijaya from PM Pulse, and we bring to you something very interesting, very exciting, something that's going to be the most important weapon in your arsenal for acing PMP exams before it changes in January 2021, and that is PMP Dash. A dash to clear PMP at the fastest possible pace. Well, there are some recurrent questions that people ask about PMP Dash, so let me answer each of them right now. Let's have a look at those questions. Alright, the very first question is, what is PMP Dash? In order to answer that well, let me explain exactly what it is not. PMP Dash is not something which actually provides you the 35 contact hours certificate. It does not. It is not a full PMP training. It is, in effect, a way to understand exactly what shows up on the PMP exams and how to master it in just a matter of 16 hours. Yes, in 16 hours, we will make sure that you understand everything about PMP exams. Each and every topic, each and every concept, each and every definition, each and every important ITTO, each and every formula that shows up on PMP exam. On top of that, essential tips and tricks which you need to master to ace PMP exams. And guess what? Within this PMP Dash of just 16 hours, I will personally guide you through 200 questions. And they will not be easy questions. They will be as tough as the PMP exam. And I'm going to guide you through each one of them. Therefore, not only that you will understand all the important concepts, you will also understand how to approach each kinds or each category of questions and how to get it done in less time. That's exactly what is PMP Dash. Alright, having answered that, let me look at the next question. So what is covered in PMP Dash? That's the next question. Well, let me explain. In this 16 hours of PMP Dash, we will cover each and every knowledge area, but not comprehensively. Why not? Because this PMP Dash is only targeted for PMP exams, which means we will be talking about the most important tools and techniques, the most important inputs and outputs, the most important definitions, the most important concepts, the most important do's and don'ts, the most important formulas that are needed to ace PMP, and the kind of questions that will show up on the knowledge areas. On top of that, we'll also take care of every agile concept that shows up on the PMP exam. And therefore, we will cover everything that is needed to ace PMP exam. So that's all that is covered. And did I tell you that we will also take care of 200 questions during the 16 hours? Kind of cool, isn't it? All right, let's look at another question. All right, the next question is, how will it help me prepare? Well, in fact, the very purpose of PMP Dash is to be able to prepare you in the shortest period of time. It should be able to prepare you in the fastest possible manner. That's the whole purpose of PMP Dash 16 hours. And it's going to make you examination ready. There are a lot of people who are trying to figure out what to read, what not to read, how much to read, how much not to read. They have already booked the PMP exams. They've already booked the examination date and they are still clueless. They are thinking of postponing the exams, and that's where PMP Dash comes in. The most curated information, the most accurate information which is built on profound experience. All of this is coming from a person who's got 22,500 PMP certified professionals to his personal credit. Yes, yours truly. All right, enough with the tom-tomming. In fact, this is going to cover everything that is needed as far as PMP exams is concerned and to help you ace it. Not only that, we're going to give you access to the world-famous PMP Ninja Notes audios. Yes, they'll be provided to each and every participant who actually shows up for PMP Dash. Not only that, you will also get an access to our PMP exam simulator, which is by far one of the best in the industry. Satisfied? All right, let's have a look at another question. When should I enroll in PMP Dash? Now, that's a good question. Remember, this is not a 35 contact hours training. It's not a full PMP training. Therefore, you should already possess your 35 contact hours. Preferably, you should have already applied for PMP exams. And even better, that you are just days away from PMP exams. That's the best time for you to actually attend this PMP Dash. Even if it's a few weeks away, it's fine. That's the best time for you to be part of PMP Dash. I hope that answers your question. Let's move on to the next question. When should I sit for the exam after PMP Dash? Let me tell you something. We've done PMP Dash so many times in the past. And we have seen in many cases that people did a PMP Dash and sat for the exams the very next day and cleared it effortlessly. Now, what I want to tell you is, yes, a lot of people do that and that is also acceptable. But to be super safe, what we generally recommend is that at least keep 2 days gap. Now, why do you need those 2 days gap? Once you've gone through those 16 hours of examination ready PMP Dash, you need some time to practice the questions because it's all about speed, and that's where our PMP exam simulator comes in. So you need a couple of days to practice on our PMP exam simulator, score high and be even more confident. And also you'll use these 2 days to go through the amazing ninja notes that we provide to you through audios. That's the only reason. So you can actually go ahead and give the exam in just 2 days after PMP Dash. All right, let's move on to the very last question. And that is, why should I trust PMP Dash? Why should I trust PM Pulse? All right, that's actually a very good question because PM Pulse is just another training institute, or is it? All right, let me give you some indicators as to why you should trust us. The very first one that I've already told you is that there are over 22,500 PMP certified professionals who have certified through us. All right, okay. Second, we've been a global registered education provider for PMI since 2007. We have seen multiple changes in PMBOK, and we have done this PMP Dash multiple times in larger groups, in smaller groups, and we've had phenomenal level of success using PMP Dash. And the third, we have written 3 books on PMP. All the 3 books are doing exceptionally well globally. I hope that answers your question. So guys, in case you're worried that how do you clear your PMP exams just before it changes, well, PMP Dash is the answer for you. When is the next PMP Dash and what is its price? That's the question, right? Okay. PMP Dash entire schedule is provided on my website. The link is provided. And the price, well, just get in touch with us. The contact details are provided here and below. Just get in touch with us. You will come to know the price. And the price is the least of your concern. Give those 16 hours to us. You clear PMP. Take care. See you at PMP Dash.